Albert Boufarah explains what to do with old electronics. Many homeowners hang on to old furniture, clothing, and electronics for long periods of time. When going through these old belongings, people are not sure what to do with them. While clothing and furniture can be donated, many people are confused about what to do with old or out-of-date electronics. Some electronic equipment contains heavy metals and other contaminants that can escape into the environment if it's improperly disposed of. Albert Boufarah from SAMR Inc., an electronics recycling firm, explains why electronic recycling is so important for the health of the planet. E-waste is not recycled properly most of the time. According to the EPA, only 1/3 of the e-waste produced in the United States is recycled. While these rates are on the increase, the staggering environmental problem needs to be addressed. In the United States, only 10% of cell phones are recycled. This is a telling statistic because most Americans purchase a new phone every 12 to 18 months. This environment where working electronics are discarded in favor of new ones produces a great deal of electronic waste. Improper disposal of electronic waste hurts the environment. Many people are not aware that electronic equipment should not be disposed of with regular household trash. Computers and other electronic devices contain toxic substances. If these substances are released into the environment, they can cause damage to the kidneys, blood, and nervous system. E-waste can also contaminate groundwater. This affects both sea animals and land animals, as well as the people living in areas where electronic waste dumps are located. Formal e-waste recycling involves taking the electronics apart, categorizing and separating their components, and cleaning everything. Mechanical shredders then break down the materials for further sorting. This step in the process requires strict controls to protect the recycler's health and safety, since many of the chemicals and metals released are toxic. Unfortunately, some unscrupulous e-waste recyclers fail to formally recycle their materials. These companies instead ship the materials overseas to countries where there are fewer restrictions and environmental controls. Many countries in Asia have stopped accepting shipments of e-waste for this reason. Companies like SAMR Inc. are even more important to the health of the world's environment because they recycle waste properly. The first solution to the e-waste problem lies in reducing the frequency in which you buy electronic equipment, like cell phones, computers, and TVs. Reducing the amount of items going into the waste stream is one of the most important ways to alleviate the problem.